Welcome to I'm show how to check battery health information into a TCL 205. First of all, open your Play Store and in search find Ampere application. This one need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Go back, sorry. Okay, open our Ampere application. Yes, you agree, close, and okay. Now need swipe on the right, and here in the second column on the top we got our health information. So our health battery is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.